So here is the new floor freshly installed in Jasmin's room. Our checkerboard tiles and the subfloor has been laid down. I am not so pleased with the glue that they laid it down with. It was like black tar, and there is lots of spots on the white tiles where this glue is not coming off the floor. There's lots of bits of glue near the seams and all sorts of spots of black glue on the white tiles. I asked the flooring installer to remove it when he had finished the floor. What do we do about this glue? And he told me I could use Gooby Gone or mineral spirits. And I gave him methyl hydrate to clean the floor with. And now in the right lights, I can see scrub spots where some of the glue has been removed, but lots of it has been unable to be removed. So I'm not very happy with glue spots all over my brand new floor. I'll do my best to remove them, but I'm going to be left with scrub spots or glue spots with the finished product. A professionally installed floor should be perfect. I'm not very pleased.